What's up, y'all? It's Chris. I'm back with another tutorial. So I'm going to be doing a very quick tutorial today, a sleek ponytail. Now, before we get into this, I want you guys to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So right now, I'm just going ahead to part my hair just to figure out where I want the hair to kind of be parted. I was thinking of doing a side part. Hadn't done those in a long time, but I thought it would be nice. I ended up blow drying my hair to just kind of make it very straight. That way, once I do use the ponytail, it'll be sleek. Alright, so right here, I'm just kind of looking to just see what that part looks like. And I had decided to kind of do like a C-shaped part. So I'm just, as I'm cleaning the part, I'm putting that part into the right position. Just to see what it looks like for me. And I like it. And of course, I'm going to head to the back just to kind of separate the front, like the bang area from the back. I'm just cleaning that up just to make sure I got it where I want it to be and where I want that bang to lay. And I'm just using a big comb just to kind of pull everything into place of where it should be. So right now I'm taking my hot comb. I got this hot comb from the Curl Collective. I got it from Target, but it is the brand Curl Collective. I love this hot comb because it's designed specifically for curly hair. And there's different modes on this hot comb designed for specific textures. I'm not really doing any deep passes, mainly because I already used some heat to blow dry. So I'm not really going all the way through. And plus, this is a temporary style. And as you can see, the hair is pretty freaking straight. So what I'm doing now is I'm sectioning off my hair into 3 parts. The 2 sides that'll be at the front, and then of course the back. Alright, so right now I'm just taking my big comb just to make sure I get the back together. I'm going to be using Sebastian Shaper Spray. It's very lightweight but pretty strong holding spray. And I'll just be using that to mold my hair and, towards the back. And at the particular level that I plan to have this ponytail. So I did the side and I used my blow dryer. And I'm going ahead to do the back, spraying that shaper spray. I'm just going to use the blow dryer to mold that in place as well. Next, I'm doing the front of my hair, and I'm just starting section by section, using my shaper spray and using my blow dryer to form my hair in the direction of the ponytail. And of course, I'm using my hands to rub down to slick it, and I'll be securing that with just a pin as I go piece by piece. And I'm on that last part there, spraying some shaper spray. And right here, I'm just kind of combing that shaper spray through and using my brush to help smooth it out. I ended up using just a rat tail comb to kind of pull my edges out because I wanted to have some cute edges for this style. Not too much. I don't want to do like the big swoops or whatever. So of course on the next side, I'm just going ahead to form the back like I did on the other side. I'm just molding it all together with the shaper spray and using my blow dryer to mold it together. I started out using the like a warm on my blow dryer, and then I topped it off at the end with a cool shot to help with keep things secure and to keep things dry. You know, because I don't know about you guys, my head sweats a lot, so I wanted to be able to use the cool shot at the end to, you know, make sure there was no sweating with this style. I wanted it to last for a little bit. So right now I'm just taking out some more edges, just a few here, mainly because the bang will be in the way. The swoop on the side will be in the way, so I didn't use many. I just had like some edges towards where my ear is, and then a little bit at the level of my eyebrow. All right, I'm going to head to the front. I already used my hot comb, so I don't really need to make big sections. And my hair is pretty straight, and I knew the shaper spray was going to hold it in place, so I didn't use a lot. And I used a big section for this. All right, so right now everything is together. I'm just securing it with a hair tie, making sure I keep my edges out. And I'm just securing it with a hair tie. All right, just making sure everything is sleek and secure. And what I'm going to do now is just twist my hair in one twist. And then I'm going to wrap it around and form into a ball to keep my hair out of the way. I haven't done a ponytail in a long time, but the thing about ponytails, I like for my hair to be in a ball. I don't like the, you know, and I've seen people do like the braid and then they either wrap their hair, they wrap the fake hair around the braid. I just think that's too much for me. I want that out of the way. So right now I'm taking some, I'm taking some braid gel, and I am laying my edges down, just a couple swoops, just a couple swoops. Again, I want to keep this style as simple and classic as possible. Very low maintenance. I feel like anybody could do a style like this. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. And it's easy, super easy to do. And just making sure the edges look how I want it to look. I want it to have like some cute swoops. So, and I'm just doing the next side again. I didn't leave a lot of hair out, so just one little swoop there, and that will just kind of mold into the part area, into the swoop area. And I'm just doing one last spray with the shaper spray, just to do one last little spray. And I'm going to go ahead and use a silk scarf to tie everything down. Now, of course, I didn't tie down my whole head, mainly because, again, my hair sweats. I want it to be able to breathe. So the ponytail I'm using today is by Darling. It's the Silky Kinky Straight Wraparound and Go Ponytail. It has a comb attachment and a little conceal pocket to put your hair in to hide your real hair. And it also has a Velcro wraparound to keep everything neat. And of course the hair on the end to make sure everything is neat and kind of looks seamless. So I'm just going ahead to put that ponytail on my little bun, and I'm first securing it with the comb attachment. I did place it inside the little conceal area. I didn't show that. And I'm just wrapping it around to make sure everything is concealed and looks seamless. And I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure it. I let my hair sit for about 15 minutes before I took the scarf down, but ladies, when I tell y'all this ponytail did not disappoint, it was super easy to install, super affordable. I got this from Walmart. You can also get it from Target, and Darling also has other types of synthetic hair like crochet, braiding hair, and other ponytail styles. As you can see, it looks so simple, very classic. Like I look like I'm going to brunch or something. It's so pretty. It also was very manageable. It did shed, but at the same time, it wasn't too much to handle and not a whole lot of tangles throughout the day. As you can see at the back, it's very seamless. Everything is pulled together, and I was just in love with this. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this tutorial and this ponytail. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, deuce!